how to add zkSync to your MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add zkSync to MetaMask. Now, how do you do so? The first step is to log in into your MetaMask account, just like I have done here. Now, to log into your MetaMask account is the same thing as logging in into the extension. And then once you are on the page, move to the top right corner, the top left corner, sorry, where you can see your network drop down, and then select it. After selecting it, check the available networks if you can see it there. But if not, just go ahead and click on add network. So after clicking on add network, on the next source page, check out the popular custom networks that are available. And as you can see the zkSync already. Once you can see this, just click on add, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to add this network. Click on approve, and then just like that, the network will be added. So if you want to switch to it, you can just select it, and you would be able to use this zkSync mainnet. So this is it. Very simple. Make sure you try this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.